Good day. Please introduce yourself.
Good morning, ma'am. I am Apple Grace Gamosa, 31 years old, single with no child. I am living in Barangay Sambag, Haro, Iloilo City. I have one brother, one sister, and I am the eldest child of the family. I am a high school graduate.
Okay, so do you have a work experience as a domestic helper abroad before?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, please tell me about it.
I am a domestic helper for 4 years in Oman.
Okay, so in Oman, how many family members your employers have?
They are 7.
Okay, so 7 family members.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
so and how many are the children of your employer?
They are 5 kids.
Okay, what are the ages of the kids of your employer?
12, 11, 9, 7, and 5 years old.
Okay, so are you also taking care of the needs of the kids of your employer?
Yes, ma'am.
And what are your other household chores?
I do washing, cleaning, ironing clothes.
Okay, so and are you also cleaning the house of your employer?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so what is your main duty?
Taking care of the kids.
Okay, so and then you work there in Oman for 4 years, right?
Yes, ma'am.
That is in one employer only.
Yes, ma'am.
And that is a finished contract?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so how would you describe your previous employers?
They are good to me.
And how would you describe yourself as a worker?
I am a trustworthy, hardworking, and
Okay.
respectful.
Are you a happy person also?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any tattoo?
No, ma'am.
Do you have a surgical operation or serious sickness before?
No, ma'am.
Why do you want to work abroad?
I want to build a house for my family.
Then what time you usually sleep and wake up when you're working?
I wake up 5 o'clock in the morning and I sleep 10 o'clock in the evening.
Okay, so you make sure that before you're going to sleep, you already finish your work.
Yes, ma'am.
In Hong Kong, kids here are super active and sometimes they tend to be out of control. So how will you control your temper?
I will be more patient with them.
And if you are homesick, what would you do?
I will focus with my work and think that this is for my family.
Do you accept no day off but instead to be paid by your employer?
Yes, ma'am.
When you visited the parents, relatives, and friends of your employer, will you help on the housework there?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so do you have an allergy to a certain food?
No, ma'am.
Okay, can you promise not to lend money in Hong Kong?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, ma'am.
And are you willing to take care of a baby in Hong Kong?
Yes, ma'am.
Then what will you do if the baby is sick?
I will check the temperature and to tell my employer.
Okay, so of course, if your baby is temperature is not normal, so it means the baby is sick and you have to inform your employer immediately.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so do you smoke or drink alcohol?
No, ma'am.
Do you promise not to use your cell phone during working hours?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you promise to finish your contract with your employer?
Yes, ma'am.
And are you willing to finish? Are you willing to extend your contract if your employer requested to?
Yes, ma'am.
And can you sing a nursery song for baby or kids?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, please give me an example.
Itsy bitsy spider went up the spout again. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. And itsy bitsy spider went up the spout again.
Okay, thank you. And can you please say a short message to your future employers?
Good morning, ma'am. If you will select me as your domestic helper, I will finish my contract and extend if needed. I am a trustworthy, respectful, and loyal as your employee.
Okay, so could you promise also to your future employer that you will love and take care of their children like your own family?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so are you a happy person, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so that's all for today and thank you for coming.